Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find Google option. Here we have to choose settings for Google Apps, Search Assistant and Voice, and Google Assistant. Now right here we have to click on the first option, Hey Google and Voice Match, and all you have to do is just click on this button and then OK. And that's how you disable OK Google. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!